Sork, stop! Sork, stop!
Oh, fuck!
He's gonna break your meds because he got a defensive pet because he's bad. I'm stunned.
Slamming the minstrel. They have no sauce. Jeff, with me. Jeff, you're
I'm
with
with you,
me.
dude. I'm with you. And I got a fucking pet on me.
I
Read
got
this.
cab.
Read this cab. He's raging.
Nice roots, nice
Big
roots.
roots,
Let's go.
big roots,
Casters are
push,
pushed.
push, push.
Casters
Pushing
are
in,
pushed
pushing
in.
in, pushing in, pushing
All
in.
casters are rooted and pushed.
I'm gonna raid
Pushing
that
in.
cleric
Target,
out
target,
of you.
Sork, target, Sork.
Why'd you go to the target that you're not? It's fucking CC, not this one.
I got the cabby. I got the cabby.
Yeah, I'm pushing up with near sides
I got
now.
one cabby.
Nice, dude.
Off.
Kill this guy. Damage Lego.
Cabby dead. Cabby
Damage-
dead. One cabby dead.
Damage Lego.
I'm gonna come back to PL.
Yeah, it's... Minstrel's looking at me. He's in the back.
Damn it. I'm slammed. I'm
Here,
slammed.
take the top. Take that.
I'm
gonna snare him.
slammed.
Hot top,
Damage
found
Lego.
it.
Pet on me.
Something on the cab.
I'm stunned and
Purge,
I'm
purge, purge.
I'm pushing up for near sights.
I'm missed.
I'm
Zaka
getting-
is dead. Two caster
I'm
dead.
killing the Sork. Killing the Sork.
Minstrel's on me in the back. He's diseased.
I'm coming in the back because I have two pets on me anyway.
Head on me.
I need help coverage. Help coverage.
Thank you.
Neurotic.
Thank you.
I'm coming on the minstrel.
I'm rooted.
I'm
Push,
gonna-
finish the fight.
Is he stunned? I
Slammed.
want him.
Minstrel slammed.
Yeah, I'm with you, dude.
Just push, finish the fight, please.
Minstrel's dead.
Minstrel's dead.
Just don't die up front. That's all you gotta do.
Sork rooted, Sork's rooted.
Oh, Glazed's sitting down, dude. Let me kill
Oh,
this
the
guy.
one shot! The fucking one shot!
You son of a bitch, Kiko.
Fucking Scott, fucking top, just fucking one shot. Will fuck.
The cleric forever looked like the only one that resisted the mess. To me, it looked like it didn't go through.
Oh my
That's
god,
why
that's
he-
going. Wait, who are we missing? We not kill somebody? The Merc or something? Who's the Merc?
You killed it.
He died. He died. I hit Closet with the /dismiss this time. I wanted to switch it up.
Alright, let's get